Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very exciting video because I have the new Hocus Pocus collection as well as the revived Hocus Pocus collection that Colourpop did last year. So we're going to do this makeup look together, unbox a lot of the items that came in these two collections, and just have a grand old witchy makeup time. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I went ahead and put on my whole face, including my brows, because I just felt like I would skip over that because that has nothing to do with the Hocus Pocus boxes. So, oh man, there's so much to unbox here for you guys. I'm so excited. So I have stuff from the new collection as well as from the old collection. So the first thing I'm going to take out is my new Banks mirror, and it's so cute. The packaging, you guys, is seriously stunning. It says, "I shall always be with you," and then we have a little Banksy boy right here. How cute. So let's go ahead and take the mirror out. Oh, cute. Hopefully I can show you guys on the inside of another package, but the inside of the packaging has like all sorts of little phrases and symbols on it. So hopefully there's another package in here where I can more easily show you the inside. Look how cute! It says, "I shall always be with you," and then kind of has like an orangey holographic outline of, you know, the stars and bangs. Then it says Colourpop and Hocus Pocus on it. So, I know everyone loves this. Ready, you guys? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Alright, so I'll use this guy for the rest of my makeup. Okay, so I kind of panic ordered really quickly. I wish I had just gotten the entire collection, to be honest, but I was silly and I didn't. So from the new collection, I have the palette. It's called Witching Hour. Again, you guys, come on, look at this packaging. It's so cute. We have Mary, Sarah, and Winnie on there. And then the back has a description of all of the, or all the names of the eyeshadows. And then the palette has the same colors on it. And you guys, look how stunning. So I think I'm going to do like a purpley-ish look today. We've got another good sticky pull. Love that. So I think I'm going to do a purpley-ish look today because I bought the Super Shock Shadow in Forever Bewitching. And if I can get it open, I need to decide what I'm going to save for you guys, because I want to include some of this in a giveaway. Maybe I'll include I think I'm going to include this in the giveaway, so I'm not going to open that, but I will open the lipstick, which has Mary on it, and it's called Calming Circle. And oh, this is not a lipstick. This is the Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. And it's in like a really pretty rosy kind of nude color. And then we've got Mary on the front there, which is adorable. Okay, so I also got the Gather Round Sisters palette from last year. And I've already used it a little bit, but it is also stunning. I love the big cauldron on the front. And then on the inside, we've got a gorgeous array of colors. I love these greens over here. And this bronze shimmer up here is stunning. And then we've got Mary, Winnie, and Sarah up there on the top. So obsessed with it. Obsessed with all of it. And then I've got the eyelashes, I've got lipsticks, I've got a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my eyes, and then we'll go through some of this other stuff. So it looks like I have 2 of the Glitterly Obsessed glitter eyeshadow thingies. So this is in the color Amok, and it's really cute because it's got banks on the top and then the glitter. So this will also go in the giveaway. So the giveaway will include a Super Shock shadow and the Glitterly Obsessed glitter gel. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my eyes. I'm gonna start with a little bit of the Tan All Hallows Eve color right here and just kind of do a little bit of, I need to use my Banks mirror. Just kind of to do an initial wash of color. Cute. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and lay down Hello Billy, which is this dark matte purple down here. And I'm just going to put that kind of all over my lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of that underneath my eyes as well. And we'll blend this out in just a second. Okay, so going in with that same color again, I'm taking just kind of a fluffy brush. And very, very lightly, I'm going to start kind of in the corners. And then I just kind of want to buff this out, just making her a little smoky. Should I bring you guys in? Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see better. Cute! Perfect. I just wanted to do a really simple look because I do actually have to work later today. So I don't want to look super crazy. So next I'm just going to take, actually I'm going to do it with my fingers. I'm going to take Twist the Bones, which is the purple sparkly color in this palette. I feel like y'all just saw Ross in my mirror. I have friends paused on my TV behind you guys. So I'm just going to add this on top. Oh my gosh. I love this freaking purple glitter color. It's beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful. Sorry if you guys can't see it super well. I really need to upgrade my camera. That needs to happen kind of soon. And then I'm just kind of like swiping it up a little bit with my finger to kind of help it blend in with the purple that I have. I'm going to grab a little bit of a smaller but still slightly fluffy brush. I'm going back in with the dark matte purple and I'm just going to darken the edges, blend this sparkle with the matte purple and just continue to kind of smoke it out a tad. And then continuing to kind of dust it underneath the eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of the sparkles and just kind of super lightly The problem with doing a darker eye look after you have your makeup on is getting it underneath your eyes is kind of annoying. Alright, I'm just gonna, I feel like the key is just to keep blending until everything is looking kind of how you want it to. And I also feel like you always look less crazy once you have mascara on. I feel like I lost a little bit of my sparkles. I'm gonna try and add a little bit more of the sparkle back. But that's also the hard part about blending, is that you tend to lose some of the colors you laid down, like the sparkles. There we go. Alright, I'm happy with that. Okay, next up, just gonna add a little bit of liner to my waterline and tight line. Now, speaking of eyeliners, there are 3 cream gel liners that come in the original collection. There is a green called Black Flame Candle, a purple called Trick or Treat, and kind of a raspberry called SISTAS. So super cute. I'm gonna include the dark green one in the giveaway for you guys. This is the giveaway that will happen at the end of the month. So you'll have to stay tuned to learn how to enter and all of that fun stuff. But I'm going to use the dark purple, and I'm just going to line on top of my lashes a little bit. Okay. And just so you guys can see the raspberry color called SISTAS. Ooh, no. It's like a shimmery. Ooh, it's like a shimmery, almost kind of copper color. Look how pretty that is. I wish I could show you guys the green, because I'm sure it's also kind of a metallic-y, but I don't want to open it for sanitary purposes since someone will be getting it to actually use themselves. All right, let me curl and put some curl my lashes and put some mascara on, and then we'll go through the lip colors and the lashes that I have. Yay! Cute. Okay, next I'm going to put on this lip cream that is the color Mary I showed you guys earlier. It's called Calming Circle, and it's one of Colourpop's like lip creams. What did it say it was? It said it was a Fresh Kiss lip cream. I love how this feels. It literally feels like mousse. I haven't tried this product from Colourpop before. Gonna have to get this in some more colors because I really like this. It's so lightweight and feels super hydrating. I really like that. I'm still gonna put a little bit of my Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm over it, because one, makes it look a little glossy and adds a little extra hydration. All right, next up I want to show you guys the eyelashes that come in this collection. So there is a Flirty Witch, Boss Witch, and Clever Witch. So let's start with Winnie's, obviously, which is Boss Witch. Comes in a super cute kind of Winnie themed packaging with a green background. And then they are super flirty, flouncy lashes. These are, whoa, these are definitely my kind of lashes. Faux show. Next up we have Sarah's, which is the Flirty Witch lashes. These will be going in the giveaway for you guys as well. These honestly are like the perfect lashes if you like super intense lashes, or these are great for Halloween, honestly, if you want something just a little bit more big and bold and dramatic. So these will also be going in the giveaway. And then lastly we have Clever Witch, which obviously is Mary's lashes. I don't know why this won't focus well on the cover, but hers are a very tiny, not super tiny, but just a much smaller, more simple lash. So yeah. And then last but certainly not least, I have 3 lip duos. So these are all different shades of red, which is totally fine with me, but also I feel like if you ordered them all, it's kind of repetitive. I already unboxed Sarah's and I don't know where I put it, so I can't show you guys that one. But they are all different shades of red. So let's see, you have something Sarah themed, you have something Mary themed. So I'm not going to unbox the Winnie one, and this one's going to go into the giveaway. So you have something themed after each witch. But let's go ahead and look at Mary's. First of all, the packaging is so cute. This one is called I Smell Children. I wonder what Winnie's is called. Winnie's is called I Put a Spell on You. Sarah's is called Boys Will Love Me. That's so cute. So first of all, let's look at the bullet, because I mean, Look at all the little symbols. I love it. And it is this gorgeous red, kind of a deeper red. Ooh, it's like a cranberry. Ooh, that is a great red for fall. And then it comes with a matching lip liner in the same color. So yeah, I will pull out the Winnie one just so you guys can kind of see the color that you're getting. See if we can be very hygienic about it. Okay, Winnie's is like a little bit more of a pinkier red. I don't know if you guys can tell super well. I feel like it's showing up very red on camera. To me in person, it looks more of a pinkier red. Okay, that's going back in here. And over here into the giveaway. And I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Colourpop slash Hocus Pocus unboxing and haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed this purpley little makeup look. I feel like it's very witchy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to hang out with me every single day for the rest of October. I have a Halloween 2021 playlist if you need to catch up on all the videos that have happened up until this day. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!